Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can rearrange your home screen in the Poco X5 Pro. So to open the home screen settings, just hold your finger on the empty place of the home screen, not on the widget, and you can see now we can go to the settings by this icon. Just tap on it and we'll start from the transition effects. If you want to change the effect with swiping the pages on your home screen, just click here and choose your desired one. I will choose maybe a cube, click done, and OK. And now how you can see we have a cube transition. The next one, hold the finger again like before, go to the settings, and you can also try to change your system layout to choose the amount of the apps in the row and in the columns to adjust to your needs. If you want to go to the more settings, click on the more, and we have a few options here. So -1 screen is this screen when you're swiping from the first home screen to the left, and you can choose, for example, a Google Discover, and this screen. After that you can also go to the settings more and then change the animation speed to make your phone a little bit faster. After that you can change the system navigation, to use the gestures, no only the buttons. Just choose your favorite one, like here. After that you can change the icon size by this little slider, and you can also choose the blur app previews. Now just choose your desired one, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.